Artificial intelligence, AI, has gained significant prominence in various industries due to its ability to automate tasks, process large amounts of data, and make intelligent decisions. Here are some key areas where AI is being used and its applications in different industries. 1. Healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by improving diagnostics, drug discovery, and patient care. AI algorithms can analyze medical images, like X-rays or MRIs, to detect abnormalities and can aid in accurate diagnosis. Machine learning models help identify patterns in patient data, enabling early detection and prevention of diseases. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants enhance patient engagement and provide personalized healthcare guidance. 2. Finance. Financial institutions use AI for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large volumes of financial data in real time to identify fraudulent transactions and prevent financial crimes. AI models can predict market trends, optimize investment portfolios, and simulate trading strategies. Chatbots and virtual assistants are used in customer service to provide personalized financial advice. 3. Manufacturing. AI is transforming manufacturing processes by improving efficiency, quality control, and predictive maintenance. Robotics and automation powered by AI can handle complex and repetitive tasks with greater precision and speed. AI-enabled systems monitor equipment performance, detect anomalies, and predict maintenance requirements, minimizing downtime and improving productivity. AI also helps optimize production schedules and supply chain management. 4. Retail. AI is used in retail for personalized marketing, demand forecasting, and inventory management. Recommendation systems analyze customer behavior and preferences to deliver personalized product recommendations. AI models can predict customer demand and optimize inventory levels, reducing stockouts and excess inventory. Chatbots and virtual shopping assistants provide customer support and enhance shopping experiences. 5. Transportation. AI is essential for autonomous vehicles, traffic management, and logistics optimization. Self-driving cars use AI algorithms to interpret sensor data and make real-time decisions. AI-powered traffic management systems optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve road safety. In logistics, AI helps optimize route planning, warehouse operations, and fleet management, improving efficiency and reducing costs. 6. Marketing. AI is revolutionizing digital marketing by enhancing customer segmentation, targeting, and campaign optimization. AI models analyze large volumes of customer data to identify patterns, preferences, and behaviors, enabling more targeted marketing campaigns. AI algorithms can automatically optimize advertisement placements, content creation, and pricing strategies to maximize customer engagement and sales. These are just a few examples of how AI is being utilized across various industries. AI's potential extends into numerous other sectors, including agriculture, energy, education, and entertainment. As technology advances, AI's applications are expected to grow, bringing about further innovations and advancements in industries worldwide.